Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove object or any person from your picture using the PicsArt. So the process is pretty simple. You can easily do it on the PicsArt. So first of all you have to open PicsArt and select the one picture you want to edit or remove the object by clicking on this plus icon. So picture is here. I use this picture to show you an example. To remove the object from your picture or anything, you have two ways. One way is that you can use a clone, or you can simply, if you have a pro version of the PicsArt, you can go for the remove. Having pro account is a good, you can easily remove background, but if you don't have, don't worry, you can use clone. So tap on the clone from here, and now you have to select the background like this, and you will see it's removing from here. So you have to put it all by on this picture like this. You have to do it carefully like this, so no one can spot it. So you can using the clone, or you can use the remove feature to remove the object or anything from your picture. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.